not care to some kind of wiring.
Okay. So there was a what you call this a rewiring problem from
Yeah,
the
yeah,
manufacturer.
Yeah.
Okay.
This information.
And then the black one is your reply.
Yeah.
Let me read the blue one first.
Right.
Okay. Let me see the title first. I just type S Y N P TOMS. Okay. Yes. Okay. So with connection. From with to connection, delete that. Because we already know what it is. The content of the report was reported. Can you explain again? They said they found the solution.
Yeah, solution.
And then you said that this problem was already reported last September.
Last year.
So this problem has already been solved. And then why is the unit still has a problem? Is that an old unit it was already been reported and it has already been solved?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I understand. Okay, let's go back.